guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah, and this channel we do a lot of DIY, home decor, lifestyle, travel, all the things, you guys. And today, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys my 2025 Christmas decor in the main part of the home. Typically, I would normally do like a decorate with me, but you guys, life has been life, and the kids have been driving me crazy, so I just have not had time to really set the camera up while the kids are here to record, like to decorate with me. So I'm just gonna kind of take you guys around the house, show you guys what I did. So it won't be like a decorate me, it'll just kind of be like a home tour of my 2025 Christmas decor. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. On our way to our next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys share it with your family and friends. Let's go ahead and get started, you guys. All right, you guys. So the first area that we decorated was the dining room area. So I just pretty much kept most of the stuff the same, like the base stuff the same. Like this bowl is always in here. I just filled it with this potpourri that I got from Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. And it's so cute. It's got one little red ball in there. Thought it was really cute and festive. These are normally always here as well, but I did take a bow or a ribbon and tie a bow around here. And these are stems that I always have in the home. I just put all of them ones I normally have in this vase, and then the one here all into this one vase. And I got these on clearance at Kirtland's for like $3 a stem. I got like 4 or 5 of those, and I just put all of them in this bowl or this vase. I thought it was really cute. It's full. I might keep like this all year round. I just love the way it looks. But yeah, so we added all the stems here. Just added some filler here, and then I just pulled out my festive like little chargers I got from Pier 1 years ago. They don't even have one down here anymore, but yeah, I just kept it really cute and simple. So this is the dining room area. Like, I really love it. This tree is always here as well. Typically, originally I was going to do like a Christmas tree in this area, but I was like, it's just too small and congested. So I'm gonna leave the olive tree there. And then this is pretty much the decor in the dining room area, you guys. So cute and simple. I just love it. All right, so that's the first area. Next up is the kitchen area, you guys. And don't mind the fingerprints on the stove. I've tried to clean this down a couple of times. I have to go through it with a deep clean on it, but it looks like just fingerprints all over the place. So just disregard the fingerprints on the fridge. But anyway, so this is the kitchen area. So you guys, I put these cute little wreaths on the back of the bar stools. How cute are these? I got these on sale at Michael's. I think they were like $4 or $5 a piece. So I got 2 of this one, and then I picked 2 of these up. I put one here, and I popped one up above the sink. So yeah, for this I just added I'm bringing a better angle. I just added the little wreaths in the back of the dining room, the Allen bar stools. I thought this was really cute, a cute little simple touch. And then here on top, I added my pine cones that I always have in this bowl on the holidays that I picked up from my yard. How cute are these, you guys? I've had these for years. So I just put those in this bowl, my West End bowl. I normally kind of rotate in and out. And then I picked up this. This is like an actual, just a wreath, you guys. I just put it on here and then set the bowl inside. And then I just got a candle from Home Goods, and I tied another piece of that ribbon around here. And then these are the stems I normally use for fall, but this year I'm kind of switching it up a little bit. So I added these stems that I got from Hobby Lobby a few years ago in the vase. And this is the Allen, kitchen Allen. How cute is this, y'all? Simple, cute. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, moving on into the kitchen area. You guys, I just put candle that I got from Home Goods over here in the corner. Another one of those wreaths that I got from Kirtland's. I think both of these wreaths were like 24 a piece. And I put that same ribbon there, just one little simple ribbon there. And then I have like a little simmer pot going, you guys. The house smells so good. And then I have my cutting board that I got from Home Goods a few years back. I have that. I just have my cutting board I got from Home Goods a few years back. I need to clean that too. But yeah, on the behind the stove. And then I just got some tiles. I normally just, guys know I always switch out my tiles for the holidays. So I just got these tiles from Home Goods. And yeah, this is the kitchen area. I left all this pretty much just, I actually did pull out my little, cast iron skillet. It looks like a tree. Pulled it out because I always pull it out on the holidays and thought it was really cute. Nothing over here. It's all the same. Just popped that one little wreath. And this area is pretty much stayed the same. I did pull out my little Christmas tree little coasters. How cute are these? I got these from Home Goods as well. And then my little apron my sister got me, I just hung it here and then just popped a red towel to go there. And this is the kitchen, you guys. Simple to the point. That's how we like it. All right, you guys, I'm moving along to the living room area. This is the fireplace area. So I just popped a ribbon around the front of this. Thought this was really cute. Make it festive, simple to the point. You guys can kind of see the theme. Just less is more, and it's also really affordable. That was a little hack. So I put another piece of ribbon around here, which I thought was really cute. Another one of these candles I got from Home Goods. This smells like the strawberry pound cake from Bath & Body Works. It was only $7.99. I got this one from Target. And this one came from Home Goods. How cute are these together, y'all? I love it. And then I've got one of the viral Hobby Lobby garlands. These things were expensive. Then I got two of these ones from Kirtland's that were on sale for $20. I put one here and I put one in our bedroom on our fireplace there. Once they ever get it decorated for the holidays, I just kind of layered this together on the mantle. I thought this was really guys, cute, simple, and to the point. I just love it, but it still looks really full. You not only use one of those viral ones and then one of the $20 ones from Kirtland's. So cute. And these were 50% off at Hobby Lobby. And then I got my stockings from Amazon. I think I paid like $21 for all 6 of them. So it's one for all 5 of us. Well, all 4 of us and my mother-in-law. So 6 of us, 6 total. I love the contrast and the color tone of them. And I just popped a ribbon here. Super cute. I just love it. I love how the fireplace came out this year. It's just, it's so vibing. And of course, you guys know I have my little Christmas music going on and like the little aesthetics. I love it, guys. And moving along, I moved this mirror, it's not only on the console table, I moved it over here and I added 2 stems that I got from Michael's together. And I just add another ribbon in between it. And how cute is it? It's like a little swag. I made my own. And it just really ties it all together. I'm obsessed with the way this turned out. Love it, love it, love it. All right, and here's me. Hey, you guys. All right, moving along. All right, so here is the viral Home Depot tree. My husband got it for me, the 9-foot. I think it's a 9 foot. Yeah, the 9 foot. I'm not done decorating the tree yet, but y'all, you guys can kind of see the vibe that I'm going with, like the berries and like sticking with that same like reddish tone. I'm obsessed with the tree. Just by itself, it's beautiful, but once I get done fully decorated, it's going to just be a total vibe. It's like a favorite tree. I'm never going to get rid of it. So this is what the tree is looking like so far. Again, it's not done, you guys, but this is the way it's looking like, and I'm obsessed. Love it, love it, love it. All right, moving along. I pulled out my same pillow covers I used last year. I got from Amazon. So these came from Amazon. This throw was something my husband's job gave him. We just ended up matching the color schemes. I popped it over there and just turned it around so you can't see the company logo. And then these are the same pillow cases I had from Amazon from last year. And this throw blanket came from Home Goods. All right, and then moving along to the coffee table, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. How freaking cute is this? I'm just obsessed. Candle from Bath & Body Works on sale for $12. These bells came from Marshall's. I just disconnected them together and just put a ribbon around this one and just set them beside each other. And then these came from Kirtland's. They were on sale for like $4 a stem. And then that little nutcracker came from Michael's on sale, and I put another piece of ribbon around that. That is just a vibe. Love it, love it, love it. This was the most like affordable whole little setup I did in the whole space. Love it. All right, you guys, let's move along to the console table. With this mirror is always here. I just put a little bit of garland around that I got on clearance from Michael's. So I just put one piece of little garland around here. Yeah, you guys are recording on my phone, y'all. And I just put one piece of garland around here. And then I put a piece of ribbon there as well. So super cute and simple. Moving along to the console table, you guys. I just added some more of the pine cone from that same bag over here. Kept it really simple. Another piece of that garland that I got from Michael's on clearance. I popped that above this mirror. This mirror is actually gonna go in the hall bathroom, but for now I'm just repurposing it in here. So I popped that there. This little beauty came from Michael's. It was $19. How freaking stunning is that? Obsessed. Do you hear me? Like obsessed. It goes with my tones. Like I just love it. And then I popped a piece of ribbon around my little West Am vases. I'm never gonna get rid of these. How cute is that? And then I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I popped a little ribbon around there. The row that I always use for Valentine's and then Christmas. And then just put a little bit of ribbon here. And then that's it, you guys. That is all of the decor in the main part of the house. I am just obsessed with how it turned out. Like, can't wait to finish the tree. Yeah, I just love it. Alright, guys, and that is the main part of the house. I just love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you like the decor? Is it too simple for you guys? Are you guys tired of seeing the burgundy reddish color this season? Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on the video and watching. Come back to the full house tour when I show you guys the other two trees and like the front porch as well for 2025. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to our next milestone. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.